Welcome to the readings in the Philippine History, Cultural Heritage Sites in the Philippines. This project invites you to delve into captivating narrative of the Philippines, a nation steeped in the rich tapestry of the history and culture. Embark on a journey through the country's cultural heritage sites, from the ancient rice terraces of the Cordilleras to the iconic Spanish colonial churches dotting its landscape. These sites serve as a poignant reminders of the Philippines' storied past and enduring legacy. I am Jayan Lopez, BSED English 1A. Come and join me to delve in the historical places in the Philippines. Let's go to our first historical place. This is Vegan, Ilocosur. Vegan, one of the most captivating historical places in the Philippines, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the few remaining Spanish colonial towns in the country. It was established in the 16th century by the Spanish colonizer and has been preserved over the years, giving the visitor a glimpse of what life was like. This is Cagsabua Ruins Albay. The Cagsabua Ruins, one of the historical places in the Philippines, is a sad reminder of how powerful nature can be. It was a beautiful church until the Mayon volcano erupted in 1814 and covered in a volcanic ash. Intramuros, Manila World City. Present-day, Intramuros comprises a centuries-old historical district entirely surrounded by fortifications that was considered at the time of the Spanish Empire to be the intercity of Manila. Other towns and arrabals located beyond the walls that are now District of Manila were referred to as the Extramuros, Spanish for outside the walls, and were independent towns that were only incorporated into City of Manila during the early 20th century. Banawe Rice Terraces. The Banawe Rice Terraces, Filipino Hagdan-Hagdang Palayan ng Banawe, are terraces that were carved into the mountains of Banawe, Ifugao in the Philippines, by the ancestors of the Igorot people. The terraces are occasionally called the eighth wonder of the world. It is commonly true that the terraces were built with a minimal equipment, largely by hand. This is Rizal Monument. The Rizal Monument, original title Moto Stella, in Latin, Guiding Star, is a memorial in Rizal Park in Manila, Philippines built to commemorate the executed Filipino nationalist Jose Rizal. The monument consists of a standing bronze sculpture of Rizal with the obelisk set on a stone base within which his remains are interred, holding his two famous novels, El Filibustrismo and Noli Me Tangere. A plaque on a pedestal fronts reads, "To the memory of Jose Rizal, patriot and martyr, executed on the Bagumbayan field, December 30, 1896. This monument is dedicated by the people of the Philippine Islands. This is Quiapo Church. The earliest church built by the missionaries of the Order of the Friars Minor was made of a bamboo for the frame and nipa leaves as the thatching. In 1574, Limahong and his soldier destroyed and burned the church, formerly a visitor chapel of East of Santa Ana. The Franciscan friar Antonio de Nombela founded the church in 1588, which was dedicated to Saint John the Baptist, the forerunner of Christ. It burned down in 1603, and the parish was temporarily torn over the Jesuits until secular clergy objected. Governor-General Santiago de Vera initiated the full construction of the church 1686. On April 8, 1639, the administration of the church was returned to the seculars who had always taken care of the church's welfare. The MacArthur Landing Memorial Park. The MacArthur Leyte Landing Memorial National Park, also known as the Leyte Landing Memorial Park, the MacArthur Park, is a protected area of the Philippines that commemorates the historical landing of the General Douglas MacArthur in Leyte Gulf at the start of the campaign to recapture and liberate the Philippines from Japanese occupation on 20 of October 1944. This event led to the largest naval battle of the World War II, also the world's largest naval battle in the terms of the gross tonnage sunk and the Japan's eventual defeat and surrender after almost 3 years. The War Memorial is located in the municipality of Palo on Leyte Island in the eastern Visayas and is one of the region's major tourist attractions. It was declared a national park on July 12, 1977, through the Letter of Instruction number 572 signed with the President Ferdinand Marcos. The Rizal Shrine in Calamba, Filipino Museo na Rizal Calamba, is a reproduction of the original two-story Spanish colonial-style house in Calamba, Laguna, where Jose Rizal was born on June 19, 1861. Rizal is regarded as one of the greatest national heroes of the Philippines. The house is designated as a national shrine by the National Historical Commission of the Philippines. It is located along Mercado Street at Rizal Street in Calamba, Poblacion 5, and is in close proximity to St. John the Baptist Parish Church at the City College of Calamba. This is Binondo, Manila. Binondo, Chinese pinyin, Mindunlu, Pinoji, Pinlulu, is a district in Manila and is referred to as the City Chinatown. Its influence extends beyond to the places of Quiapo, Santa Cruz, San Nicolas, and Tondo. It is the oldest Chinatown in the world, established in 1594 by the Spaniards as a settlement near Intramuros but across the Pasig River for Catholic Chinese. It was positioned so that the colonial administration could keep a close eye on their migrant subjects. It was already a hub of Chinese commerce even before the Spanish colonial period. Binondo is the center of the commerce and trade of Manila, where all types of business run by the Filipino-Chinese tribe. This is Magellan Cross, Cebu. Magellan's Cross Pavilion is a stone kiosk in Cebu City, Philippines. The structure is situated on Plaza Subo beside the Basilica del Santo Niño. It houses a Christian cross that was planted by the explorers of the Spanish expedition of the first circumnavigation of the world, led by Ferdinand Magellan upon arriving at Cebu in the Philippines on April 21, 1521. Along with the Basilica del Santo Niño's Church and the convent buildings, the pavilion is declared a National Cultural Treasure of the Philippines. This place is Aguinaldo Shrine, Kawit, Cavite. The Emilio Aguinaldo Shrine of the Kawit El Viejo Shrine is a national shrine located in the Kawit, Cavite in the Philippines, where the Philippine Declaration of the Independence from Spain was declared on June 12, 1898, or Independence Day. To commemorate the event, now known as the Araw of Kalayaan or Independence Day, a national holiday, the Philippine flag is raised here by the top government officials on June 12 each year. The house is now a museum. On June 12, 1898, the independence from the was proclaimed from the window of the Grand Hall. The Declaration of the Philippine Independence was read by its author, Ambrosio Rianzares Bautista. The Declaration of Independence was ratified by the Malolos Congress on September 21, 1898. This is University of Santo Tomas. The University of Santo Tomas, in Filipino, Universidad ng Santo Tomas, officially the Pontifical and Royal University of Santo Tomas, Manila, or colloquially as OSTE, pronounced OSTE, is a private Catholic research university in Manila, Philippines, founded on April 28, 1611 by the Spanish Friar Miguel de Benavides, third Archbishop of Manila. It was the oldest extant university charter in Asia and is one of the world's largest Catholic university in terms of enrollment found on one campus. It is the main campus of the University of Santo Tomas system that is run by the Order of the Preachers. This is Sandugo Shrine, Bohol. The Legazpi Sikatuna Blood Compact or Sandugo, in Spanish, Pacto de Sangre, was a blood compact performed in the island of Bohol in the Philippines between the Spanish explorer Miguel Lopez de Legazpi and the Dato Sikatuna, chieftain of Bohol. On March 16, 1565, to seal their friendship following tribal tradition, this is considered the first treaty of friendship between the Spaniards and the Filipino. Sandogo is a Visayan word which means one blood. This is Fort San Pedro, Cebu. Fort San Pedro In Spanish, Forte de San Pedro is a military defense structure in Cebu, Philippines, built by the Spanish under the command of Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, first governor of the Captaincy General of the Philippines. It is located in the area now called Plaza Independencia in the pier area of the city. The original fort was made of wood and built after the arrival of Legazpi on an expedition. In the early 17th century, a stone fort was built to repel Muslim invaders. Today's structure dates from the 1738 and is the oldest triangular bastion fort in the country. It served as the nucleus of the first Spanish settlement in the Philippines. During the Philippine Revolution at the end of the 19th century, it was attacked and taken by the Filipino revolutionaries who used it as the stronghold. Is Plaza Cuartel, Puerto Princesa. Plaza Cuartel is an outdoor part and a landmark in the Palawan that used to be the penal colony during World War II. The Spaniards initially built it as a garrison to protect the country from the invasion. During the Japanese occupation, the Japanese military turned it into a penal colony where they held and captivated hundreds of American soldiers. Towards the latter part of the World War II, when the Japanese knew that they were on the brink of imminently losing the war, they decided to execute the Palawan massacre. The remains of the American soldier were brought back to and buried into Jefferson Barracks National Cemetery, Missouri, United States. Plaza Cuartel is now a leisure park and a popular tourist spot in Puerto Princesa. As it opened to the public, tourists visit as a part of Philippine history as they witness the dreary garrison and the dark tunnels of Plaza Cuartel. Historical markers are posted on the old walls to remind tourists of the gruesome incident in the place. The Spaniards originally built it. Baruswain Church, Bulacan. Baruswain Church, in Tagalog, Baruswain, official title Our Lady of Mount Carmel Paris, is a Roman Catholic church built in 1888 in Malolos, Bulacan, Philippines. It is about 42 kilometers, 26 meters from Manila, having earned the title as the cradle of democracy in the East, the most important religious building in the Philippines, and the site of the First Philippine Republic. The church is proverbial for its historical importance among Filipinos. This is Corregidor Island, Cavite. Corregidor, in Tagalog, Pulo ng Corregidor, Spanish, Isla del Corregidor, is an island located at the entrance of Manila Bay and the southwestern part in Luzon, in the Philippines, and is considered part of the province of Cavite. Due to this location, Corregidor was historically been fortified in the Philippines and is considered part of the province of Cavite. Due to this location, Corregidor has historically been fortified with coastal artillery batteries to defend the entrance of Manila Bay and the Manila itself from attacks by enemy warships. Located 48 kilometers inland, Manila is the nation's largest city and has been the most important seaport in the Philippines for centuries from the colonial rule of Spain, Japan, and the United States up through the establishment of the Third Philippine Republic in 1946. This is San Agustin Church, the Church of Saint Augustine in Filipino, Simbahan ng San Agustin, in Spanish, Iglesia de San Agustin, also known as the Archdiocesan Shrine of the Lady of Consolacion at Censure, in Spanish, Santuario Arquidiocesano de Nuestra Señora de Consolacion y Coria of the Immaculate Conception Parish, in Filipino, Parokya ng Immaculada Concepcion, Spanish, Parokya de la Immaculada Concepcion, is a Catholic church under the auspices of the Order of St. Augustine located inside the historical walled city of Intramuros in Manila, Philippines. Completed in 1607, it is the oldest stone church in the country. This is Manila Cathedral, the minor basilica and the Metropolitan Cathedral of Immaculate Conception, commonly and popularly known as the Manila Cathedral, is a Catholic minor basilica and the cathedral church of the Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Manila. It is located in Intramuros, the historical walled city in Manila, Philippines, and is dedicated to the Immaculate Conception of Blessed Virgin Mary, the principal patroness of the country. Santiago. Fort Santiago, in Spanish, Forte de Santiago, in Filipino, Kuta ng Santiago, built in 1571, is a citadel built by Spanish navigator and Governor Miguel Lopez de Legazpi for a newly established city of Manila in the Philippines. The defense fortress is located in the Intramuros, the walled city of Manila. The Philippines is a rich country with a diverse cultural heritage, shaped by its complex history and multicultural identity. Its cultural heritage is not just artifacts and monuments, but also a living tradition that influences a daily life. Cultural heritage is a value asset that deserves to be preserved and promoted. It reflects the country's history, culture, and identity, and plays a vital role in shaping its future.